When it comes to market research for e-commerce, choosing the right platform is crucial. So, how do BigCommerce and SaleHoo stack up when it comes to their market research tools? Stick around to find out which one really gives you the edge and whether there's a better alternative out there that could make all the difference for your business. Let's start with BigCommerce. BigCommerce is often seen as one of the go-to platforms for creating an online store, but it's more than just a place to sell your products. When it comes to market research, BigCommerce offers some useful tools like built-in analytics that give you insights into customer behavior, sales trends, and inventory levels. It's a pretty straightforward way to gauge what's working and what's not. The platform also integrates with various third-party apps like Google Analytics and SEMrush to help you dive deeper into competitor research and customer trends. But here's the thing, while these integrations are great, you need to pay for the advanced plans to really unlock the full potential of BigCommerce market research features. So, if you're just starting out or working with a smaller budget, this might feel like a lot to chew on, especially when compared to other platforms that give you more out-of-the-box access. Next thing to consider is SaleHoo. SaleHoo is primarily known for its supplier directory and dropshipping support, but it also offers a selection of market research tools. One of the major features here is the SaleHoo Labs, which lets you search through thousands of products to gauge their demand, competition, and potential profit margins. This can be extremely valuable if you're just getting into e-commerce and want to find profitable niches or products to sell. SaleHoo also gives you access to a community of entrepreneurs where you can share tips, ask questions, and learn from others. While this can be a huge help, the market research tools themselves aren't as sophisticated as what BigCommerce offers, especially when it comes to tracking consumer behavior on your site or analyzing customer insights in real time. The fourth thing we need to address is the comparison in ease of use. BigCommerce, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve compared to SaleHoo. SaleHoo's interface is simpler and easier to navigate, making it great for beginners. BigCommerce, on the other hand, offers more in-depth features, but requires a bit more time to get comfortable with. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. BigCommerce has a tiered pricing structure that can get pricey, especially when you factor in the cost of integrating all the additional tools and features for market research. If you're on a tight budget or just testing the waters, SaleHoo might be a more affordable choice. But keep in mind that SaleHoo's market research tools aren't as robust as BigCommerce, which means you may need to supplement with other tools to get the full picture. So, after trying both platforms myself, here's the bottom line. BigCommerce is great for established businesses that need deep market insights and are willing to invest in advanced tools. SaleHoo, on the other hand, is perfect for those just starting out or looking for a more affordable, straightforward option for product research. But if you want something that gives you the best of both worlds, powerful tools for market research without the hefty price tag, there's a better alternative I'd recommend. Check out the first link in the description for a free trial of a platform that I personally believe gives you more value for your money, with exclusive benefits only available to viewers like you. Give it a shot and see how it stacks up.